I've went ahead and I've set up the product that we're going to be using for the install on this 2005 Honda Civic. The first part of the installation is going to involve the head unit. The second part, the speakers. The third is installing the amplifier and properly routing the wires. And then the last is going to be mounting and installing the pre-built subwoofer enclosure. Now I've got everything set up here on top of my bench, and my first step is to disassemble the factory radio. Now what I've gotten is just a piece of carpet, and that's to protect the face of this factory panel. I don't want to scratch it or gouge it or do anything else like that, damaging to it. So I'm going to lay it down on its face, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue disassembly of this dash kit. So now I'm going to remove the pocket, and we will be just about ready to get this installation kit snapped in. Okay, now that we have the door panel off, I'd like to point out a few things back here. One is this plastic. This plastic is called a vapor barrier. And what this vapor barrier does is it protects the inside of the door panel from any type of rain or moisture that would get in. Now when we're going to be mounting our passive crossover inside this door panel here, we want to make sure that we mount it on this side of the vapor barrier so that this doesn't get wet and doesn't have corrosion and cause voltage drops. It can cause a wide variety of problems for your system. So we always want to make sure that this vapor barrier is left in. Now I'm going to pop this speaker out of here, disconnect the factory plug, and get my aftermarket one mounted and secured into place. Now as you can see, I've disconnected the factory speaker and has left the factory plug. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use Metro Electronics speaker adapter, and I'm going to plug this thing right in. Clicks into place, and it automatically gives me my positive and negative output. If you have any questions, you can log on to installerinstitute.com, look for my email address, jason@installerinstitute.com, and email me any questions that you may have regarding this DVD video.